Can FOAMPOSITES come back? I mean, these slated to drop in a couple of weeks. Mine's still icy. And we all remember the YEEZY joints, man. What a time to be alive. Are Jordan 1s finally coming back? We got these way too early. And they nice, but I don't know. Are Nike SBs coming out too much? I mean, we just got these, and they nice. But are they Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Is SB reaching? Is ADIDAS failing? I mean, we seen both big 30-year anniversaries. You still can get them, both of them. You still could get them now. And Yeezy's claiming they stealing his designs, they putting it out, they not together. So are they failing? And last but not least, when are the Air Jordan 4 reimagined breads restocking? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And today I'm dropping a new segment, a new show, a new episode. It's called Sneaker Talk. Yeah, Sneaker Talk. We're going to talk about all the stuff that's going on in the sneaker community right now. Because there's a lot of questions, and I may have a few answers, but I would like for y'all in the comment section below to help me with some of these answers to some of these questions. Starting with the FOAMPOSITE era. Man, if you was a sneakerhead, wow, maybe like 20 years ago, man. I remember going to All-Star Week in Orlando, I think 2011, and the Galaxy foams dropping and shut the whole mall down. YEEZY, they even did a YEEZY rendition, FOAMPOSITE, glow in the dark. When Kanye was with Nike, almost all his sneakers had like a glow in the dark effect. And it was a time. And of course the OGs, the pennies, the blue, these are dropping, I believe, next month again. So FOAMPOSITE is definitely trying. We had the eggplants about 2 weeks ago. I own the OG, so I didn't even try. But the reason I think FOAMPOSITEs cannot come back, it's an unwearable sneaker. The sneaker is made for the basketball court, and it hurts. It hurts to play in these, man. The style, the whole foam material, very dope. The colorways dope, especially the ones when they add the big swoosh on the side. But I don't see these coming back. I feel like they unwearable, like they hurt your feet, and I also feel like the price tag was already too high in the beginning. And in this culture, since the pandemic, high price tags is very hard. Do I love FOAMPOSITEs? I still love them, and if you still rock them, respect, though. But I don't feel like these will ever get to where they were at. They were at a different stratosphere. Now, the whole SB situation. I love an SB. I wouldn't care if they dropped every Wednesday, man. We just got some joints yesterday. I forget the lady's name, the skate girl name, but I did get them. So that review's coming probably next week, whenever they ship. So every SB I cop, man, especially the ones with the story behind it and the theme behind it. But when we get stuff like this or this, even though these did have a story behind it, a very small story, but it did have a story, it kind of dumbs down like the biggest releases. Understand what I'm saying? Bart Simpsons, Chunky Dunkies. This is the SBs we want to see. So Nike, SB, Dunks, get it together. Give us the high profile stuff. We do like the little stuff too, but don't just give us colorways to give us colorways. That's how you end up like the Jordan 1 situation. Now the Jordan 1 SB joints, LA to Chicago joints, right here is where they were at their peak. Like, it was so high up. They kept giving us new groove colorways. By the time the Hyper Royal Blues came out, after we seen Jordan Game Royals and Royal this and Reverse Royal, this one it was kind of getting low. But when we got here, guys, I was off it, dog. I'm not gonna lie. When we came out with these joints here, man, What was the name of these, man? Biohacks? I don't even remember. But when we got here, guys, I kind of fell all the way off the Jordan 1 belt. Now, don't get me wrong. In between those times, we did get a lot of Travis Scott joints. We got J Balvin ones, which I really like. So Jordan 1s are not dead, like I told y'all in previous videos. They just got to get it together, man. I really don't want to see another Bread Jordan 1, but I ain't mad at it neither, man. I really wouldn't mind getting another Jordan 1 red and black or white, red toe or black, whatever rendition they want to do. The trophy rooms came out. Those did very well. Actually, the low top ones came out today. I should have that review for you guys. And before that, the Lost and Found joint. So I just want Jordan 1s to stick to what they know. Stick to that red colorway. Stick to the OG colorways, the Shadow, the Royal, not the Hyper Royal, Game Royal, the Royals. And get some more collabs in. Call J Balvin back. Of course, Travis Scott, even though he's been on his low game. But either way, trophy rooms, keep the collabs coming with meaning. And Nigel Sylvester. Shout out to Nigel Sylvester. Now Adidas. Man, when Yeezy signed, man, things changed over there, man. Not only Yeezy, you got my man, Player Blyer, Bad Bunny, doing numbers. They just signed the Fed Guard. Y'all know how I feel about the Fed Guard Essentials, man. But it's just not popping over there, man. And it shows because they still putting out Yeezys after they took his contract away, and we still getting slides and 350s. We should not be getting Yeezys, guys. He's not there. They should not be putting it out. And I mean, if you buy it, buy it. I mean, but if Kanye, the maker, the name on the sneakers, asking you not to buy it, then I ain't buying it, dog. That's it, man. At one point, man, y'all watch the channel, I had over 30 pairs of 350s alone. Then you add the V2s and then the Power Phase and the Wave Runners, and I had a lot, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. eBay got them all. I only kept OG Pirates, the OG Pirates, guys. In the Power Phase, man. Like, these are the only ones I kept. And what happened to Pharrell, man? Pharrell was there before Kanye, should I mention, and he was killing. But when he started coming out with too many colorways of the same silhouette, we bailed on him, man. I still own them. But Adidas is failing, guys. I'm here to tell you guys, Adidas is failing. Earlier in the video, I showed y'all the BAPE 30 anniversaries. I like them. That's why I cop. You know, buy what you like. Not what's hype. I cop. But Adidas is failing. Now to the mystery of the Jordan 4 Reimagined. I'm going to go on record right now and tell y'all they will restock. There's no way Nike does not restock this sneaker. It's just that they're going to do it when they want to do it. But they will restock. If you remember the Lost and Founds, what it was like a month. It was like a month before they decided to restock, but they restocked. The Jordan 3 Reimagined restock maybe in 2 weeks because people was complaining about the design. Sneakers didn't look alike. The elephant print was a little off. I had a pair. I really didn't like them. But I like these. These is like the best Jordan that came out in the last couple of months. So they will restock. They just trying to wait for y'all to get all the Jordan 1 yellow ochres, the Jordan 3 green glows. They waiting for y'all to get all those off the shelf, and then they're going to restock these. Yes, sir. So that was the first episode of Sneaker Talk. I hope y'all liked it, man. Give me a couple of likes so I can know that y'all liked it. Because if y'all didn't like it, then this is the last one, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.